Hey there, Glenda Hoon Russell here, and you're watching The Status Quo. Today's 1 minute money saving tip is give your dogs the vegetable scraps. So I wouldn't say that this is necessarily a money saving tip, but it is if you're giving them vegetable scraps like we do instead of buying actual dog treats. And this is just something that we personally like to do, and our dog absolutely loves them. So I'm talking about things like zucchini, carrots, bell pepper toppers. There's a whole list of things that you're not supposed to give your dog. So check out the link below just to make sure that you're not giving your dog any of these bad foods, because it can really hurt them. But giving them safe foods is a great way to, again, to not be wasteful and use what you have and even save money where you don't have to buy actual dog treats. You can just give them these vegetables and they absolutely love them, or at least my dog does. Let me know in the comments or give me a like if you liked this video, and check out our other 1 minute money saving tips.